Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Phantom Wallet. Notifications on Phantom Wallet help you stay updated on important activity like transactions, token transfers, and security alerts. If notifications are off, you might miss key updates, so it's worth enabling them properly. So first, launch your app on your phone and unlock using your password or biometric as well. And once you get into this interface, go to your account in the top left. And over here, tap on the setting beside your profile. And here what you can do is simply select to this preferences here. And under this preferences, go to your notifications. And here what you can do is you can simply toggle on allow notifications by simply enabling it in the top, or you can also manually toggle it off or toggle it on as per your preferences as well. And that is it. Notifications are like your wallet's early warning system. They help you react quickly if anything unusual happens. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.